Hi everyone, so today we're going to be reviewing this app which is right here. It's called Receipt Hog. Basically what this app does, it gives you points for your receipts. So any shopping that you do, keep your receipts and send the pictures in, and basically when you accumulate enough points you can trade them in for Amazon vouchers or PayPal vouchers. So I'm going to show you how it works. We've got a receipt right here. Just make sure we've got it nice and flat, and tap on camera. Try and hold the phone as flat as possible, and there we've got the picture. So that looks good, we can read everything, so we're going to say looks good. So we've got some questions to answer. Which of the following home appliances do you have in your household? Got another question. Usually we only get one question and it just asks you how your shop went for that receipt, so don't worry, you don't have to answer all these questions. This is just like once in a blue moon you get a load of questions, a few questions, not more than like 4. Okay, done. Thanks for the receipt. That's it. So that receipt's been sent. I'm going to show you how the rewards work. So we're going to tap rewards and we're going to go to redeem prizes. Sorry, I do need to get my nails done. So I've got 2,324 coins which I can redeem. So I would prefer PayPal. So let's tap PayPal, and I can get £5 for 1,500 of those coins. But because I would actually prefer to wait until I get to 12,000 coins and I can get £50. Last time I did get the £5 just to test the waters, and I received my rewards on the same day, which I think was great. So I have to tell you that this isn't a get rich quick scheme. It's just if you want a few quid here and there, basically for not doing a lot. Oh, the other thing is you can actually you get coins as well to use in the slots to redeem more prizes, so you can win cash, which are, the prizes are listed at the bottom. So let's do our slots to see if we've won anything. I haven't actually won anything on these yet. I do win coins, but I haven't won any cash. Okay, so I've won 5 coins. Got one more spin left. And yeah, I haven't won anything, so that's fine. So yeah, let me know how you get on with this app, and hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next video.